Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Epic Educator. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. In this channel, science and mathematics videos are available. Today we are going to discuss about divisibility by 10 and divisibility by 11. Which numbers are divisible by 10? Which numbers are divisible by 11? How can we identify easily? Okay. Consider 10 divisible by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. Any number have last digit is 0, that number is divisible by 10. Understood? Consider an example. 20 is there, 180 is there, 50 is there. Consider these three numbers, last digit is 0. So these all are number is divisible by 10. Understood? How which numbers are divisible by 10. Next we consider divisibility by 11. How can we understand divisibility? Consider when difference between sum of its digits in odd places in even places either 0 or in a multiple of 11. Sum of odd places. Consider any number. Sum of odd places and difference between sum of even places is 0 or multiple of 11. That number is divisible by 11. Consider an example. 30426 is there. Consider these one. Sum of even places minus sum of odd places. Consider an example. So, sum of odd places is, see, consider this side. 1, 4, 3 are odd places. So 3, 4, 6. Sum of these 3 is 3, 4 is 7, 7, 6 is 13. Next we consider sum of even places. Sum of even places is, consider this one. 2 and 0 is even places. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Difference between these two, sum of odd places and sum of even places, is 13 minus 2 is equal to 11. So 11 is multiple of 11. So this number is this type. We easily identify any number is divisible by 11 or not.